Hey, so we realized that probably a lot of the younger generation have no idea how to use a payphone, so we thought we would just record this short video as a bit of a public service. In case of an emergency, you may someday need to use a payphone. So first thing you're going to want to do is check these slots to see if there's any quarters in them and let someone else pay for your phone call. Now, unfortunately, no quarters there today, but sometimes there are. Next, you're going to want to pick up the receiver. And are they still 25 cents or is it 50 cents now?
50.
Then you insert your quarters into the slot. Now next you're going to need your cell phone to look up the number that you want to dial. We're going to call Petey at his home. It says, please wait. It's still saying, please wait.
Can we just walk anyway?
It's saying to credit 50 cents, deposit $4 and change for 1 minute. Can you hear that? Yeah, well, that's not working. So,
At least it gave you your money back.
so I guess a 1 minute phone call on a payphone now costs $5?
Merry Christmas.
Holy.